Okay, I just finished doing a little bit of updating on the SDK. I added a watch feature, so it makes it real easy for you guys to keep track of what's going on. So let me jump to my screen and I'll show you what the deal is. Okay, before we do that, here's the setup. I got an ESP32 right here. This is a fun board, and it's posting data every 30 seconds to the example account. And then here is the other one that we'll be looking at. We'll connect up to this one, and we'll be reading data with the new watch feature from that. Just a second. That's what we're doing here. All right, real down and dirty here. Here is the new function, watch. And you can tell it how many rows you want to start with. The default is 10. That means try to get 10 rows when you start. I've got it set the default of update every 10 seconds. And then you can use the group and device to limit it if you want. I'm not doing that right here. Okay, so it just sets itself up either to run in MicroPython or to run in regular Python, and then it goes into an infinite loop. It waits until it, however long it should, it gets the rows, and then it sorts them and prints them, and that is it. So if we jump right here, this is my desktop, and you can see I call the watch function right there, and it is, it gave me these 10 rows, and then it just goes into a loop looking for this, and anytime a new row comes up, it prints it for you. So if we did a Control C and stopped it, and then if we did it again, so there it goes. It pulled the 10 rows, and then it's just waiting for the next row to come along. Alright, so that's it running on the desktop, and then same thing over here. I've got it running on the ESP32. So up here I call the watch function, and it's just doing its thing, right? So if we did a Control C here and killed it, we could start watch again. Remember, it takes it a little bit longer to get started on the ESP32. And there's our first 10 rows that it pulled, and then it will continue to update. So where are we now? We're at 88 paramecium there, and we're at 88 paramecium here. So ESP32 and the desktop are in sync with each other. Let's see if we can get a post here on one of these real quick. We might have to wait up to 30 seconds to see it happen because the fun board over here that's doing, oh, there goes the fun board. I see it posting, so it should come up here real soon. There it goes. Alright, so 100 chickens came up on here, and if we go over here, oh yeah, it's already there. Okay, so that's it. Okay, that about wraps it up. Need you guys to get up there, download this thing, and give it a shot. See if you can get it to work on your desktop, see if you can get it to work on your ESP32. See what happens. It'd be great if I could get some traffic up there so I can see what's going on. Alright, later.